Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? As you all know that we have started a new unit, that is fractions. In the previous videos I have explained you about 1/2 and 1/4, 1/4 or quarter of the whole. 1/2 means when we divide a shape or an object into two equal parts, then each one part is 1/2 of the whole. In the same way, quarters means when a shape or an object is divided in four equal parts, then each part is 1/4 of the whole or the quarter of the whole. Now today we will do equal parts 1/3. 1/3 means equal parts 1/3. Today's topic is equal parts 1/3. When a shape or an object is divided in three equal parts, then each part is 1/3 of the whole. For example, here you see this is the shape, and we have divided it into three equal parts. So each part is 1/3 of the whole. This is also a 1/3, this is a 1/3, and this is a 1/3. So this is a 1/3 of each part is 1/3 of the whole. If you colored only one part of this shape, like if you colored only this part, then you can write 1/3 of the whole. It means we have colored only a shape is divided into three equal parts, and we have colored or we have taken only one part, so we can write 1/3 of the whole. You see in the next question, write the fraction 1/3 on each part. You can see in this shape it is divided into three equal parts, one part, two part, third part. So it is divided into three equal parts, and when we take only one part or when we color only this part, then we can write 1/3 with this shape. Similarly, you see this is the whole shape, and it is divided into three equal parts. All the three parts are equal, so we can when we color only one out of these three parts, then we can write 1/3. Similarly, you see in this shape it is also divided into three equal parts, and when we take any one part like this or this only one part, when we color only this part, then we can write 1/3. Similarly, you see in this shape it is divided into three equal parts, and when we take only any part and color it like this, if we color only this part, then we can write 1/3 of the whole. Color 1/3 of each shape. Again, this shape is divided into three equal parts, and you have to color only any part out of these three and write it 1/3 with it. In this case, there are three equal parts. You color any one part out of these three, and you can write 1/3. Similarly, in this case, this is also divided into three equal parts. If you color only any part out of these three, for example like this, if you color this part, then it will show the fraction of 1/3. You can write 1/3 with it. In this case also it is divided into three equal parts. When you color any part out of these three, then you can write 1/3 with it. In this case also it is divided into three equal parts. You color any part out of these three, and you can write 1/3 with it. You can draw these shapes in your notebooks, and you can color them. You draw this shape. This is also divided into three equal parts, 1, 2, 3, and when you color any part out of these three, it will show the fraction of 1/3. 1, 2, 3. It is also divided into three equal parts. When you color any part one part out of these three, it will show the fraction of 1 over 3. 1, 2, 3. When you color any part out of these three, you can write the fraction 1 over 3. So student, this is all about the fraction equal parts 1/3. When you divide an object or a shape into three equal parts, and then each part is 1/3 of the whole. When you color or take any part, then any one part is 1/3 of the whole. In the previous videos, I have explained you about the halves and the quarters. So you can see, if you can open your book, and if you see in the book, there are some exercises about the halves and quarters. In your book, on page number 92, there is example for halves. There is question number 1, 2, and then on page number 93, question number 3, page number 94, question number 4, and page number 5, question number 5. You have to do all these questions on your book. You have to solve all these questions on your book. Then if you see on book page number 96, there is also an exercise for the quarters. As I have already explained you halves and quarters, now you can easily do these pages, or can do easily solve these questions. So on page number 96, there is an exercise for quarters. There is question number 1, 2 on page number 96. Then on page number 97, again there are equal parts, quarters and halves. It is the mixture of quarters and half sums. So you have to solve these sums on your book. You have to do page number 96 and 97 on book 2. Now there is no separate exercise for 1/3, equal parts 1/3. So in the next video, I will explain you about equal parts unit fractions. Like you can divide any shape or object into more than 3 or 4 parts. So I will explain you that thing in the next video, and then you will do the other exercises. But now you have to do page number. You just note the page numbers. You have to do page number 92, then 93, 94, again 96 and 97. You have to do all these pages on your book, and you have to submit that book on next Thursday. Not tomorrow, but on next Thursday. Thank you.